Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. I didn't see anyone saying anything in the last video if my hauls are looking like I'm like robotic, so please let me know. I'm a hot mess today. I was exhausted. It has been a long week. Today is Tuesday, so in exactly 1 week, I will be having my hysterectomy surgery, and I've just been trying to get a lot of stuff done in my house. If you looked at my community page, oh my gosh, I finally got a car. Excuse me. So this is my first car haul in my new car. Well, new to me. New to me. I put way too many miles on a car to buy a brand new car. So first, I have to just fix this a little bit if I can, because it is a hot mess, let me just tell you. But guys, we got a Dollar Tree haul. I'm so super excited. I have a car back now, so I can do my hauls or my shopping whenever I want. And this weekend, I plan on doing a walkthrough in one of the stores, but super excited because the walkthrough, my 17-year-old is going to videotape me, so I'm going to be showing you guys the things on the other side of the camera. So I'm super excited about that, but let's get going. First, kind of boring, let's start with this stuff. But if you guys do any kind of baking for the holiday, get it at Dollar Tree. So I did just pick up 2 of the Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mixes. They are 12.9 ounces. This isn't just for the holidays. My kids absolutely love brownies, and I realized I was out the other day, and since I will be off for 6 weeks, maybe the first week I won't want to do anything, but I'm going to do some major Christmas baking since I'm going to be off. So I'm kind of excited about being off because this will be my first time ever that I'm off for this long and like during the holidays. But then I'm wondering, what in the heck am I going to do with myself? So anyways, I got 2 of these just because, to make for my kids and my husband and maybe their co-workers. I always send a thing of snacks to my husband's co-workers, but I envision that being way bigger this year since I have absolutely every second of time on my hands. Anyways, I picked these up mainly for my oldest son. They are definitely a repeat purchase. Just the Lance Toasty Crackers, 5.1 ounces. There's 6 packages in here. He loves these. Oh my gosh, I can't hold on to anything. I picked up 2 of these, and they are the Jet Puffs, 7 ounces. And if you have watched one of my videos I made in the past, it's just a heaven dip. So it's this 1 block of cream cheese, literally mix it together. It's done. Use apples, grapes, strawberries to like dip it in. It is absolutely amazing. Easiest. If you have any kind of like a potluck coming up for Christmas or something, guys, I'm telling you, this and a thing of cream cheese, amazing. But a car just parked next to me. Maybe she's just making a U-turn. I was like, I'm about to have to end this. But anyway, so I got 2 of those. Obviously, I'm not going to any holiday party, but you know. Okay, so she actually stopped her car. So we'll have to see what she says. Or not what she says, but if she plans on staying and she's not even looking. So I did pick up this 100% rawhide free Kind Rewards Bare Bones, the 4 sticks, 1.76 ounces. I picked up 3 because I have 3 dogs, and so there's 4 in here, and so I figured 4, 8, 12. So I had to pick up 3 packages to make it even, and my dogs loved them. The one that you have to be careful of is my boxer. She is so picky. She'll smell it and then she'll turn around and walk away if she doesn't like it. So these are a hit with her. So I got 3 packages of those to make sure that there was, you know, a certain amount for each one. I picked these up. I saw these on Cats Live in Large. She said, oh, they're way too cheesy, or they're really cheesy. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. And I thought, oh my gosh, my favorite food is cheese. So I literally picked these up for myself. Hamburger, mac and cheese, now with more cheese, bold 3 cheese. I just picked these up. They're just 2.6 ounces, very easy for me. I've never picked up like the instant macaroni or anything, but again, I don't know how I'm going to be feeling, so I'm just trying to get some easy stuff so I do continue to eat. But I also thought, we make a lot of tacos at my house. So if I put this in the microwave and have some extra leftover taco meat, mix it together, and it'll be amazing. So I just picked that up for just in case. Like I said, you throw some taco meat in there, it's amazing. I picked these up to Mod Podge on something. They're just the 3 cute little snowmen. They're so cute. And they're the smaller ones. And actually, I think what I'm going to Mod Podge them on might be in this haul. So And then I picked these up for my 17-year-old. It's just the hair oil. He has very, very coarse, almost like Indian kind of hair. And so he really needs like hair oil for his hair. It looks really dry and kind of like mine. Let me just put these away real quick. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So that was kind of Oh, maybe I did find some more stuff. One more bag of the and then the fun stuff. I found these for my dogs also, Gravy Train, and they are 3 ounces. I have gotten into the hang of, which I didn't realize, or in the routine, I didn't realize it, but apparently I give my dogs a snack every single day I come home. So as soon as I come home, they jump up, they lick me and stuff, and then they sit. And I'm like, what are you sitting for? Oh, they're waiting for a treat. So I have to fill up my dog treat thing a lot. So I picked these up for them. Way repeat purchase, always get them. Just the Energy Nut Blends, 2.25 ounces. My youngest loves them. I picked these up, multi-surface cleaning wipes, the 30 wipes. I picked these up for my car because, so if there's anyone in my car with me, they drive. I hate driving, I just don't like it. So my husband usually drives, but I looked under, like, on his seat the other day of my new car, and like, apparently he misses his mouth a lot. I'm not sure what happens when he eats, but it wasn't pretty. So I was like, I'm just gonna get these. So I'm gonna put these in my middle console just so I can clean up my car, you know, kind of keep it kind of clean for a little while. I picked up some more napkins to Mod Podge onto stuff. I just love the Santa, so I got that. I picked this up, Micro Tip Brush Pen, the pink ink. I want to see, this is the journaling ink. I want to see if it's going to work in my Cricut. I want to write some stuff out on my Cricut, but I want to see like if this will fit in the thing and then it'll do the writing. And I just think I just love the pink, if you see it right here. So I just, like I said, I just got it because I just want to see if it will fit into my Cricut spot, and then it'll just be a really nice color instead of just black ink. Okay, there we go. I did just pick these up, just the Crafter's Square 2-piece brush set. This black one. Sometimes the blue handle are the 2 I like, but there are some that the bristles just come out constantly and they're worthless. So I just picked up these 2 right there. I did pick up some more duct tape because I want to do some Christmas duct taping journals. And so how many? These are 1.89 inches by 7 yards. So I picked it up in like the holographic red, green, and blue. I think those are really good Christmas colors. And so I'm just going to put those on some journals and see how those go. I have, like I said, a lot of time on my hands. I have done no craft shows this year, but my theory is I'm going to be sitting on my big bottom for a long time. And even if I'm not like sitting, I'm still going to be not working for 6 weeks. So why not try to get some more crafting done and yeah, see what I can do there. So I never have 6 weeks before to do nothing. So we'll see what happens. I picked these up because, so these are the chalkboard tags. This one has 6. It's the regular looking tags. And these have 6 also, and they're the circles. And so actually, and they're chalkboard. And so honestly, the reason I got them is because I'm going to make these into Christmas tags, I think. And so I'm going to Mod Podge like Santa or the snowman on the front of these. And then on the back, I'm going to include maybe like a chalk writer, and then they can write to and from on the back for whoever they want. So, I mean, I just thought that was, you know, I mean, they're flimsy and stuff, but they're a tag. But I just thought, you know, like the front would be really cute Mod Podge, and then the back is chalkboard so they can reuse it if they want. I'm sure not. But anyway, so I just got those so I can Mod Podge and make some, tags for Christmas. I picked this little guy up, just this little dog. And I picked him up because if you guys saw a while ago, I hauled the ladders from Dollar Tree. And I think one said home and one might have said love. I don't know. But I got the like ornaments, or it's like the string of fake lights. It's like a garland of lights that I want to string up the ladder and make it look like whoever is like wrapped up in them and can't put them up correctly. I don't know how to say that. But so I got this dog. I thought it would be so cute to like glue half of him to the ladder and then the other side like wrap some of the lights around, and like he didn't like get him up correctly. I don't know. So I'm going to put him on my ladder, on my Christmas ladder. This is not fun, but this is just the Brunswick chicken salad, 3 ounces. It is just 120 calories. I'm actually going to eat this today for lunch. And it's funny because I didn't get this today. I was so happy when I pulled this bag out. I was like, yes, I really wanted something. So that's what I got. I didn't even go to Dollar Tree today. And then I did pick up 2 of these. Ooh, let's see what you guys can. Oh, you probably don't want to see that. So I bought Fireball for someone for Christmas, but that's what's holding up my my phone on the thing, so that's what you guys are gonna see. But anyways, I got 2 of these because I want to put some of the little fishbowl snowman I have. I bought the fishbowl and I want to use it like a nativity scene, and so I'm gonna put it upside down on here and then maybe put some stuff on the outside. I don't know. So I just thought that would be I just liked just the glare, I guess. So anyways, I'm gonna put the fishbowl on top of it and kind of make like a snow globe kind of thing. And yeah, I don't know. I have all these plans and I haven't done any of them again, but I am getting better. I have done some Christmas garlands. I can't wait to show, I cannot wait to show you guys the fabric that I got from Walmart and stuff, because I have some amazing Christmas garlands that I've been doing. Is that the only one from this? Yes. I have 2 more bags, but I think these ones are all fun ones. Let me see. Let me see what's in here. And let me see what's in here. Okay, what is in here? It's heavy. Oh, guys, I'm super excited. If you look at my community page, I got 3 of these, the last 3 that they had, but these are the Christmas baking dishes that they came out with. I know you guys all saw the Thanksgiving ones, but look at the colors. Like, if you can see over here, they're like red, green, like a Grinch green, red, pink, like a fluorescent green, red, and green. I love these. I think they're so cute. There's nothing in here. You know, they're by the Royal Norfolk. They're just the mini loaf pans. It's on both sides. I thought these were so cute. I love the colors. So I did pick up the last 3 they had. I was super excited about those. Whoop. Okay, so now what did I pick up? I picked up 2 of these snow globes because my plan is, so I'm gonna make some hot cocoa, kind of like gift cups, but inside of a cup. So I'm gonna put like a package of hot cocoa in there, you know, inside of a mug and stuff. But then I realized that this fits perfectly inside the mug. So inside of here, I'm gonna make maybe some kind of a snow scene or put a Santa Claus or something in these. These are the snow globes from Dollar Tree. I don't have one of the cups, but these literally, I checked it and it fits perfectly inside of the top of the mug. So like I said, on the bottom, I can put some marshmallows and some hot chocolate in there. And then up here, I can put like a little snowman and maybe some, anything. I don't know, just anything. Or you could use this and like put it in top of the cup and put like your marshmallow and your hot cocoa and stuff in here. You know, if you've seen the ornaments where they layer it and it's like hot cocoa mix, marshmallow, I don't know, like you could put that into your snow globe, close it, and then set it on the top of your mug, and then maybe inside the mug put like some socks or something. But these fit perfectly right inside of your mug, and it like from here up is all that shows. So I picked up 2 because I just love that idea. Let's see, I picked these up. I remembered yesterday why I picked them up. Today I don't, but they're cute. They're 4 pieces, 2.2 by 2.7 inches. They're the buffalo check Christmas trees. I picked those up. Excuse me. So unfortunately lately I've been really having the muscle cramps again, so I just picked up more of the dill pickles, 3.25 ounces. Again, I'll pick up more for like while I'm recovering, because regardless of if I'm moving around my house, it's going to be a little while before I will be driving or anything, and so I just want little snacks to keep at home. And let's see here, I think I picked up more ribbon than I need, but like I said, I have been doing the like the rag wreaths, and so I've been like cutting a bunch of fabric. I have so much fabric in my house. I wanted to figure out how to get rid of it so I can declutter, and so I've been doing like Christmas rag wreaths, and I'm in love. I love them. They're so easy. So I picked up these 2 right here. So these are kind of the same. What are they called? They're just called stitch ribbon, and they're 3 yards. But one of the fabrics I picked up from Walmart is like hot cocoa, and some of the stuff on it is pink. So, and this one right here, I don't know if you can see, but it's like blue and the stitching is pink. And so I've just been like tying a lot of fabric, and then like every once in a while just like tying some ribbon in between. So I did pick up those 2. And then I did pick up these two because I didn't have these colors, and this is a Grinch green. I love this. I want to do a Grinch one, so that's exactly why I picked that up. And this just reminds me of snowmen, so I picked up that, and these are 9 feet. And then I did just pick up these last two. I picked up this one right here, which is the buffalo check green, and then this one with the blue and the snowflakes. And I do want to say that I have a huge bin of ribbon at home. And so some of it I really wanted to use, but it had the wire in it. It was so super easy to pull that wire out, and I used it, and it looks amazing on the projects I've been doing. So yeah, like I was watching Tony from Creative Chica Hauls. She had hauled some stuff, I think from Hobby Lobby, to do pinch bows, and she was saying she didn't know it was wired. And I had never even thought of it, but when I was going through my stuff, I know, like, my huge bin of ribbon, I was like, oh man, this is wired. And then I was like, wait, why can't, and it was so super simple to just pull right out. So it's no longer wired, and it looks cute on my little things. And actually, I didn't save anything fun for last, but these are just my little crafter square scissors, and I just needed these because they're 4 inches. I'm sure I have 100 pairs of these at home, but I don't know, and I really don't want to look too much. So that is it, guys. That is my haul for right now. That's my Dollar Tree haul. I will be having a Walmart haul coming up, and then I'll have my Dollar Tree walkthrough. I have a Dollar General haul, and then hopefully I'll have a Dollar General penny haul. So I'm gonna try to get as many videos as I can made before Tuesday, because again, Tuesday, I'm thinking I'll probably just be kind of down and out for a couple days, but then after that, I'm gonna have to have people taking me to the stores, and I don't know how well that's gonna go. But anyways, guys, I hope that you have an amazing day. I hope that you loved some of the stuff you saw, especially the Christmas muff or loaf pans. Amazing. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.